Chapter 1. Computer, a smart machine. What are machines? Machines are man-made things. Look at the pictures of some machines we use in our daily life. Fan, car, telephone, washing machine, bicycle, television. Importance of machines. Machines play an important role in our daily life. They make our work easy, help us work fast, save our time. Uses of some machines. A calculator is used for calculation. It works on cells inside it. A television is used to watch movies and programs. It runs on electricity. A sharpener is used to sharpen pencils. It does not use any electricity. A mixer grinder is used to make pastes and grind spices. It runs on electricity. A bicycle is used to go to nearby places. It does not use electricity. Computer. A computer is also a machine. It needs electricity to work. It is called a smart machine because it works very fast. It can do many things. It never makes mistakes. It saves our time. Types of computers. Computers are of following types: desktop computer, laptop, palm top, tablet. Chapter 2. Uses of computers. Uses of computers. We use computers to do different kinds of work. We use computers to draw pictures. We use computers to write poems, stories, and letters. We use computers to do sums. We use computers to play games. We use computers to watch cartoons and movies. We use computers to listen to music. Computers at different places. We can do many things on computers, so they are used at different places for different uses. At homes, computers are used to do homework, to play games. At schools, computers are used to keep records of students, to deposit and keep records of fees. At shops, computers are used to make bills, to keep records of stock. At hospitals, computers are used to keep records of patients, to make test and medical reports. At railway stations, computers are used to book and cancel tickets, to update arrival and departure of trains. At offices, computers are used to send letters and reports, to keep records of employees. At airports, computers are used to book and cancel tickets, to update arrival and departure of flights. At banks, computers are used to maintain records of customers, to operate ATMs. Chapter 3. Parts of a computer. Monitor. Monitor displays whatever we type or draw on the computer. We watch cartoon and movies on it. This is the screen of the monitor. A monitor looks like a television screen. Monitors are of three types. These are CRT, LCD, LED. CRT monitors are not in use these days. Nowadays, people mostly use LCD or LED monitors. Mouse. Mouse is used to point and select things on the monitor. We also use the mouse to draw pictures and play games. Keyboard. Keyboard is used to give commands to a computer. It has many buttons called keys. We press the keys to type letters and numbers. CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It controls all the other parts of a computer. It is also called the brain of a computer. It is fitted inside the CPU box. The CPU box is also known as the cabinet. Some other parts. UPS. UPS stands for Uninterrupted Power Supply. It gives power backup to the computer for some time when the electricity goes off. Printer. The work we do on a computer is printed on a paper by a printer. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music and other sounds on the computer. Headphones. Headphones are used for listening to the music and other sounds played on the computer. Using headphones does not cause disturbance to anyone. Microphone. Microphone is used to record our voice on the computer. Chapter 4. More about the keyboard. Keyboard. You already know that a keyboard is used to type words and numbers. There are some special keys to perform other functions. Let us know about some important keys on the keyboard. Number keys, backspace key, delete key, arrow keys, enter key, spacebar, alphabet keys, caps lock key. Pressing different keys on a computer to write words or numbers or both is called typing. There is a small blinking line on the monitor. This is called the cursor. As you type, the cursor moves to the right. A keyboard has 3 types of keys: alphabet keys, number keys, special keys. Alphabet keys. The keys which have letters of alphabet written on them are called the alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys from A to Z on a keyboard. We use alphabet keys to type letters and words. Number keys. The keys which have numbers written on them are called the number keys or numeric keys. They have numbers from 0 to 9. We use these keys for typing numbers. There are 2 sets of number keys. There are 20 number keys on a keyboard. In the given figure, both the sets of number keys are shown colored on the keyboard. Special keys. Apart from the alphabet keys and the number keys, the keyboard also has some special keys. These keys do not have any number or letter written on them. They are used to do some specific functions. Let us study about them. Spacebar key. Spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to insert blank space in the text. To give a blank space between 2 letters, words or numbers, we use the spacebar. Enter key. The enter key is used to start the text from a new line. This key helps us move the cursor to the next line while typing. There are 2 types of enter keys present on the keyboard. Can you find both of them on a keyboard? Caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type text in capital letters. When the caps lock key is pressed, the letters entered appear in capital letters. Pressing the caps lock key again will turn it off. The letters entered then will appear in small letters. Backspace key. When you make a mistake while typing, you can erase the incorrect letter, word or number by using the backspace key. Pressing the backspace key once erases only one character on the left. Delete key. We use the delete key to erase an incorrect letter typed on the right side of the cursor. To correct the spelling of computer typed as computer, we will use the delete key in this way. First, place the cursor before O. Second, press the delete key. The letter O is erased. Third, type the letter E. Arrow keys. We use the arrow keys to move the cursor in 4 different directions. Left arrow key moves the cursor to the left. Down arrow key moves the cursor down. Right arrow key moves the cursor to the right. Up arrow key moves the cursor up. Chapter 5. More about the mouse. Mouse. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. It also has a body and a tail. The tail of the computer mouse is the wire that connects the mouse to the CPU box. Parts of a mouse. A mouse generally has 2 buttons. The button on the left side of the mouse is called the left button. The button on the right side of the mouse is called the right button. These buttons are used to select and click items on a monitor. There is a scroll wheel in between the 2 buttons. The scroll wheel lets us move the page up and down. Mouse pointer. A mouse is used to select items on the monitor. We also use it to play games and draw pictures on the computer. When we move the mouse, an arrow also moves with it on the monitor. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. Mouse pad. We should always keep the mouse on a mouse pad while using it. It is a special seat or place for the computer mouse. It keeps the mouse free from dust. It also helps to move the mouse smoothly. Holding the mouse. Hold the mouse with your left or right hand as shown. Index finger, thumb, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Correct way to hold a mouse. Right-handed person. Correct way to hold a mouse. Left-handed person. Using the mouse. Pressing a button on a mouse is called clicking. Click. Pressing the left mouse button once is called left click or click. Double click. Pressing the left mouse button twice quickly is called double click. Drag and drop. To drag and drop an item, move the mouse while keeping the left button pressed. Chapter 6. Paint. Starting Paint. To start Paint, follow the steps given below. First, click on the Start button. Second, click on All Programs. Third, click on Accessories. Fourth, click on Paint. The Paint screen opens. It has the following parts: Paint button, title bar, ribbon, colors group, shapes group, tools group, drawing area. Tools group. The Tools group is located on the upper portion of the paint window. It contains different tools like pencil tool, eraser tool, fill with color tool, etc. to draw and fill colors in images. Colors group. It is located on the right side of the ribbon. It contains different colors to fill in your drawing. Shapes group. Shapes group is located in the middle of the ribbon. It contains various tools to draw different types of shapes. Working with tools. Pencil tool. This tool is in the Tools group. The pencil tool is used for drawing any type of freehand drawing. It is just like drawing on a sheet with your pencil. First, click on Home tab. Second, click on Pencil tool from the toolbox. Third, click on the Size box. Fourth, select the width of line. Fifth, now drag the mouse on the drawing area and start drawing. Line tool. This tool is in the Shapes group. You can draw straight, standing, sleeping or slanting lines on the screen using the Line tool. First, click on Home tab. Second, click on Line tool from Shapes. Third, click on the Size box. Fourth, select the thickness of line. Fifth, drag the mouse on the drawing area to make a line in any direction. Rectangle tool. This tool is in the Shapes group. You can draw rectangles and squares with this tool. First, click on Home tab. Second, click on Rectangle tool from Shapes. Third, click on the Size box. Fourth, select the thickness of line. Fifth, drag the mouse to make a rectangle. Oval tool. This tool is in the Shapes group. You can draw circles and ovals with this tool. First, click on Home tab. Second, click on Oval tool from Shapes. Third, click on the Size box. Fourth, select the thickness of line. Fifth, drag the mouse to make an oval or a circle. Fill with color. This tool is in the Tools group. You can use this tool for filling colors in your drawing. First, click on Home tab. Second, click on Fill with Color tool from Toolbox. Third, click on Color 1 box. Fourth, click on any color from the color palette in the Colors group. Fifth, click in the shape which is to be filled with color. The selected color gets filled in the shape. Eraser tool. This tool is in the Tools group. Eraser tool is used for erasing your drawing or a part of it. First, click on Home tab. Second, click on Eraser tool from Toolbox. Third, click on the Size box. Fourth, select the thickness of the eraser. Fifth, drag it on your drawing where you want to erase. Chapter 7. Calculator. Starting calculator. To start the calculator, follow the steps given below. First, click the Start button on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. The Start menu appears. Second, in the Start menu, click on All Programs. Third, in the next menu that opens, click on Accessories. Fourth, in the next menu, click on Calculator. This will open the calculator. Using calculator. A calculator has 10 digits from 0 to 9. The plus key is used for addition. The minus key is used for subtraction. The asterisk key is used for multiplication. The / key is used for division. The C key clears all the calculations and shows a 0 on the screen. There is also a backspace key which has the symbol on it. It is used to erase any number that has been entered by mistake. It erases the numbers and signs one by one. It is similar to the backspace key on the computer. Backspace key, number keys, calculator, clear key, division, multiplication, subtraction, equal to, addition. Addition. Let us add the numbers 63 and 25 on the calculator. First, enter the number 63 by clicking on the number keys 6 and 3. Second, click on plus button. Third, enter the number 25 by clicking on the number keys 2 and 5. Fourth, then click the equal to button. The answer, which is 88, appears on the screen. Subtraction. Let us subtract the number 43 from the number 97 on the calculator. First, enter the number 97 by clicking on the number keys 9 and 7. Second, click on the subtraction button. Third, enter the number 43 by clicking on the number keys 4 and 3. Fourth, then click the equal to button. The answer, which is 54, appears on the screen. Multiplication. Let us multiply the numbers 15 and 7 on the calculator. First, enter the number 15 by clicking on the number keys 1 and 5. Second, click on the multiply button. Third, enter the number 7 by clicking on the number key 7. Fourth, then click the equal to button. The answer, which is 105, appears on the screen. Similarly, you can do division and other sums of addition, subtraction and multiplication on the calculator. Closing the calculator. To close the calculator, click on the red button with the cross sign at the top right corner of the calculator. This button is called the close button. It will close the calculator.